Okay, this is, it says 75 at the top, but it's actually the stats practice problem number 10. Tells you that you've got 8 numbers, and their mean is 3, and the mean of a different set of 12 numbers is x, so you don't know the mean of the second number. They want that value, the mean, if you know that the mean of all 20 numbers is 9. So you know that you've got 20 numbers, which when you add them all together and divide by 20, you get 9. It's kind of like when you know the mean, you don't need to know each individual one of these. Kind of like when a student transfers in to your classroom and they have a 90 average. One way is there's some kind of like a transfer grade where you can put that in for them, and the computer does this. But some teachers just go down through every single assessment that has already happened up to that point and put whatever their transfer grade is. So if they had a transfer grade of a 90, you could literally go through and put a 90 in everything that your students have already done, and that's fair. That gives them the correct transfer grade and will average it appropriately. Similar to this, you know that you've got 8 numbers that average to be 3. Just pretend they're all 3. Put a 3 in for every one of those. And then you've got 12 grades or whatever this is that you don't know what their average is, but if you did know, then you would have that x. So I'm just going to solve this by multiplying both sides of this equation by 20 first. Okay, and keep in mind it's both sides of this equation are by 20. What happens here is that this 20 and this 20 come together to equal 1, and you end up with 8 times 3, which is 24, plus 12x is equal to, and 20 times 9 is 180. So if you subtract 24 from both sides, that would be 180 minus 24 is 160, 56. 156 is equal to 12x. And then you're going to divide both sides by 12. And I don't know what 12 into 156 is, so I'm going to just do this manually. 12 into 36 goes 3 times. 3 times 12 is 36, so it divides evenly. So you know that the 12 numbers have to add up to be 13, and that is C.